Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Game Pass on Roblox. Once you're on Roblox, simply click on Create and the upper left hand side menus from here, and this is going to take you to your Creator Hub. Now, on the left hand side, you want to go ahead and click on Creations. Then go ahead and choose that current place that you have. In this case, I'm going to click on this one. Then on the left hand side again, you want to scroll down under monetization. You want to look for passes and click on that. And you will have the option right here to create a pass. So simply click on create pass. Now you can go ahead and give it a change image, whatever. I'm going to click change image here. I'm going to just put, let's put this little baby right here as that image. And here you want to go ahead and give it a name. So if you upload images, it's going to try to pull the name of that image. So you want to change that to whatever. So I'm going to call this baby, let's call it 2K5. I don't know why I choose that, but let's call that. And you can give it the description. So I'm going to call this one crazy bad baby, for example. Let's say that's what I want to give it name. And you can go ahead and just basically create it. Now, once you create this pass, you can now go ahead and choose if you want to put it on sale. It's really up to you. Now, to do that, you can simply go ahead and click on it. And on the left hand side, you will find sales. Click on sales. And you want to turn on the item for sale here. So click on that, choose the amount that you want. I'm going to just say, I don't know, 400 as an example, and click and save changes right there. And that's really it. So it is now on sale, guys. And that's pretty much all that you have to do, guys. Now, if I simply go back to passes here, you will see that it's there and it's now on sale. And that's it, guys. That's how you go ahead and create a Game Pass on Roblox.